Realtor and credit repair expert. Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita, and I'm back with another video.
The my let me look on my credit reports. Let me see. The My Jewelers Club will show up as, let me see. Let me see, you guys. I'm kidding it. I'm kidding it. Okay, so let me see. So it will show up as the Major Financial Corp. That's what it'll show up as, and with a $5,000 limit. Now, with the new codes direct, they will show up as the Carmel Financial. That's what it'll show up as. So MAJR, so I just say Major Financial Corp. Yeah. So that's what it'll show up as for the My Jewelers Club, and the new codes direct is the Carmel Financial. That those are the two $5,000 credit cards that you guys can show up at. This you not show up. Those are two $5,000 accounts that you guys can sign up for.
Thank you so much for finishing my video. If you like this video, make sure you check out these two videos on my right. There are more videos as a part of my channel where I talk about real estate and credit repair. And if you guys are really interested in boosting your credit score, think about joining my exclusive membership where I actually have exclusive live videos and you guys can get access to free credit repair.